Abaqozululi bathi imali egutshwe ngungqongqotjhe wezeemali uTito Mboweni engange 36 billion yamaranda ayikaneli ukuvimba ubungozi bezenzo zokuguruzela emphakathini. Umrhubhululi omkhulu we-Trade and Industrial Strategies uNiva Makheta uthi umbuso kufanele uqalane nendaba ezithwenya abantu.
What we have seen in the past couple of weeks is that the risk of not meeting people's needs, particularly when we're in a crisis like the COVID-19 pandemic, that risk can be much greater. And so I think getting that balance right is not an issue for Treasury, it's an issue for government as a whole.
Isaziso zomnotho sithi isimemezelo sombuso sokuriyada ukubhadela umthelo akusiyinto etsha.
These incentives that are being announced, they're not really new because we had them around this time last year, where we saw, for example, pay-as-you-earn that is collected by employers being deferred for a number of months before they are required to pay it.
Indaba yokusekela amahlelo la izokuba nomthelelo omumbi esikhwameni semali yesitjhaba.
There is no new money that is coming into the budget. So I think that in our discussion, we must understand that we are using the existing fiscus. An amount of 36 billion has been announced for immediate disbursement to those that were affected by the unrest.
Umboweni uveze bona nanyana bebafuna ukungezelela isikhathi sokusiza abantu inyanga ezisithandathu kodwa nomengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukandelele ukuthi abantu abarage nokuthola imali le ukufikela ngenyanga kandaka umnyaka ozako. Imali engange 15 billion rand eyokuvala umonakalo ojiwe izenzo zokuzitapela ebeziphekelelwa imiguruguru kwaZulu Natal neGauteng.